Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious vodka margarita. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 2 ounces of your favorite vodka, 1 ounce of fresh lime juice, 3/4 of an ounce of orange liqueur, and a 1/2 ounce of simple syrup. Using fresh lime juice makes a huge difference, so don't skip that step. This combination creates a perfectly balanced and refreshing drink. Now that you have your ingredients, it's time to mix. Add the vodka, lime juice, orange liqueur, and simple syrup into a cocktail shaker. Fill the shaker about 2/3 full with ice. Secure the lid tightly and shake vigorously for about 15 to 20 seconds. This process chills your drink to perfection and ensures all the flavors are well combined, giving you a smooth and refreshing sip. Before pouring, let's prepare your glass. For a classic touch, you can rim your glass with salt or sugar. Simply run a lime wedge around the rim, then dip it into a shallow plate of salt or sugar. Next, fill your prepared glass with fresh ice. Strain your perfectly chilled margarita from the shaker into the glass. Finally, garnish with a fresh lime wheel or wedge for an elegant presentation. And there you have it, your very own delicious vodka margarita. Take a moment to appreciate your creation. Remember, you can always adjust the proportions of lime juice or simple syrup to suit your taste. Feel free to experiment with different orange liqueurs or even flavored vodkas for a unique twist. This recipe is a fantastic base for countless variations. Cheers to your bartending skills.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.